Hello, if you want to enable the camera timer on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, first of all we need to open the camera app. Now over here we need to tap on this icon over here. So if you are in the photo mode, then here we have this icon with the circle and a pointer. We can tap on it and then we have the option to set the timer to 2 seconds, 5 seconds or 10 seconds. After that we can press the shutter button. We will see the countdown. Of course we can stop the countdown by pressing this square in order to prevent the picture from being taken. But if we set the timer anyway, then of course we will take the photo after a short while. In this case there is also the night mode detected because the camera sees only dark, so this is why I had additional countdown. And of course if you want to disable the timer, then you have to choose this option on the left side. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!